Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my kitchen. So I am about to make a meal for a lunch that I'm going to eat all week. I tend to do this because decision fatigue. If you're looking for a high protein, high fiber meal to keep you satiated throughout the day, I'm your gal. Now, I'm going to tell you, I have no idea where I got this recipe from. It's something that I just have as a staple. It's kind of like a Mediterranean base. What you're going to need is beans. So I'm just going to use navy beans. I have chick beans. I have red beans. So you're going to need beans. You're going to obviously need a can opener, or if you're using dried beans, what I would recommend is you take these dry beans and you soak them in water overnight so that they get hydrated before you cook them. That makes all the difference in the world. But because it is 8:30 at night, I just got home from teaching a fitness class, and I need to make my lunch for tomorrow morning. So here it is. We're going to just make it easy. Remove the obstacles, the mental breaks. Then you're just going to need some vegetables. So I like to put in some peppers, some cucumbers. I usually have purple onions. I'm out. I'm not going to make a big deal about this. Some olives. We're going to top it with feta cheese. And what you need as well is some lemon juice and some olive oil. I like to make it easy to remove the mental blocks. So I just got myself like one of these choppers. It's crystal proof. You also need to make sure that you have a container that you can just keep it in the fridge. It should keep for about 4 to 5 days. So let's just get started. You're going to start naturally by opening up your beans and rinsing them. If these are canned beans, this can opener is garbage. You drain them. Rinse your beans. You're gonna rinse your beans. All right, beans ready to go. So from here, you're gonna take some, I'm just gonna make it easy. Again, I like it easy. Just gonna take some olive oil. You need 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. This is really, really good fat. Choop. 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. 2, 3, mon ami. All right. Next, we're going to give it a good shake. You can also add a pinch of salt, pepper, sea salt. I'm missing, besides the red onions, are little cherry tomatoes. This will just have to do. So I just like to make it simple. So we're gonna just, again, make it simple. This is crystal proof. That's what I love about it. Oh, you can add as many vegetables as you like. I love adding little cherry tomatoes, but because I do not have any, and I also love adding the red onions, I'm just going to add more peppers. But basically, you want to taste the rainbow. Next, isn't that looking good? Next, you're going to add some olives if you have any. I recommend pitted olives. These are not. And mix that all in. Then the last thing that I add is feta cheese. So we're going to I just like to crumble it on top. There you have it. You let it sit overnight, and your lunch is made for the week. Tomorrow, what I might do is run to the grocery store and add my cherry tomatoes and my red onions. But here you go. If you try this out, let me know how it goes for you, and if you swap out any other vegetables or add any other vegetables, I would love to hear. But thanks for being here. Let me know in the comments below what else you'd like help with. If you want other simple ideas for food, for snacks, for whatever it is, let me know. I'm so grateful that you're here. As always, be brave, be bold, be you.